In the past decade, we've witnessed an exponential growth in artificial intelligence and automation. These aren't just buzzwords anymore. They're transforming the way we live and work, and their impact is undeniable. Imagine for a moment the world of yesterday. Tasks that once took hours, even days to complete, are now accomplished in mere minutes. Industries across the board, from healthcare to transportation, are harnessing the power of these technologies to increase efficiency and productivity. Artificial intelligence is more than just a sophisticated algorithm. It's a system that learns, adapts, and evolves. It's capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making predictions with uncanny accuracy. It's the brain behind your smartphone's digital assistant, the eyes behind your car's autopilot, and the nerve center of countless other applications. On the other hand, automation is the muscle. It's the technology that performs tasks without human intervention. It's the robotic arm on the assembly line, the automated checkout at the supermarket, and the software that sorts your emails. Together, artificial intelligence and automation are a formidable duo. They're the architects of the fourth industrial revolution, a new era defined by intelligence and autonomy. But as these technologies continue to permeate our lives, they also raise important questions. One of the most pressing concerns is their impact on employment. Some see AI and automation as job killers, poised to render many professions obsolete. Others, however, view them as job creators, catalysts for new roles that we can't even imagine yet. The truth probably lies somewhere in between. Yes, some jobs will get automated, but new ones will also emerge, and many existing jobs will be transformed. The challenge lies in navigating this transition, in making sure that the benefits of AI and automation are widely shared and not concentrated in the hands of a few. As AI and automation continue to advance, there's a growing concern about their impact on employment. The question isn't whether these technologies will reshape our work landscape, but how. It's a question that concerns all of us, and one that we'll explore in the course of this video. AI and automation are not just buzzwords, they are revolutionizing various sectors. Take manufacturing, for instance. It's no secret that robotics and automation have been at the forefront of this industry for quite some time now. Yet it's the infusion of AI that's really shaking things up. Artificial intelligence is enabling these robotic systems to learn, adapt, and even make decisions, transforming the production line into a more efficient, self-regulating entity. Then, there's healthcare. AI is making waves here too. Machine learning algorithms are helping doctors diagnose diseases with an accuracy that was unthinkable a few decades ago. Natural language processing is powering virtual assistants, scheduling appointments, and even reminding patients to take their medicines. Meanwhile, robotic surgery is becoming more commonplace, providing precision that surpasses human capability. Let's not forget retail. You've probably heard about Amazon's cashierless stores. Well, that's AI in action. These stores use computer vision, sensor fusion, and deep learning to automatically detect when products are taken from or returned to the shelves. This eliminates the need for traditional checkout lines and cashiers. On the other side of the retail coin, AI is also helping businesses understand their customers better, predicting buying patterns and personalizing shopping experiences like never before. Now, what does this mean for the workforce? Well, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, automation of routine tasks is freeing up workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. On the other hand, it's also leading to job displacement, especially for those whose roles involve tasks that can be easily automated. In the manufacturing sector, for example, while AI-powered robots are improving efficiency, they're also replacing assembly line workers. In the healthcare sector, while AI is enhancing patient care, it also means less need for administrative staff. In retail, while AI is making shopping more convenient, it's also reducing the demand for cashiers. But it's not all doom and gloom. As these industries transform, new roles are also emerging. In manufacturing, there's a growing need for robotics technicians and AI specialists. In healthcare, new opportunities are opening up for health data analysts and AI ethics officers. In retail, the focus is shifting towards customer experience specialists and AI-driven marketing roles. Moreover, AI is creating entirely new industries. Take the autonomous vehicle industry, for example. It's not just about self-driving cars, but also about the surrounding ecosystem, including software development, data analysis, and even city planning. This is the double-edged sword of AI and automation. They can displace jobs, but they can also create new ones. They can automate routine tasks, but they can also open up opportunities for creative and complex roles. The key is to be adaptable. to learn new skills, and to be ready to ride the wave of change. It's clear that AI and automation are here to stay, and the workforce needs to adapt. This is not a time for fear, but a time for learning, growth, and transformation. Because in the end, it's not about the machines taking over, but about humans and machines working together to create a better future. The rapid development of AI has sparked a heated debate about job displacement. As we delve into this topic, it's essential to recognize that the fear of job loss is not unfounded. The rise of AI and automation has the potential to render certain jobs obsolete, particularly those involving routine tasks. This is a daunting prospect for many, who fear being left unemployed in an increasingly automated world. This fear is further compounded by economic inequality. There's a widening gap between skilled and unskilled workers, with the former often benefiting more from technological advancements. This inequality is a pressing concern. We are seeing a shift towards jobs that require more complex skills, leaving those with traditional skill sets at a disadvantage. Moreover, this shift in skill requirements heralds the need for upskilling. As technology evolves, so too must our skills. Those who fail to adapt risk being left behind. There's a pressing need to learn new skills to keep pace with the changing job landscape. Upskilling is not only a means of survival in the job market, but also a pathway to thriving in the age of AI. However, the fear of job displacement and the need for upskilling aren't the only concerns. There are also significant psychological impacts on workers facing job insecurity. The uncertainty of one's job future can lead to stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues. The mental toll of this insecurity is a substantial concern that needs to be addressed. All these issues, the fear of job loss, economic inequality, the need for upskilling, and the psychological impact of job insecurity, paint a complex picture of the job displacement scenario. It's clear that the rapid rise of AI and automation presents significant challenges. These concerns are real and must be addressed proactively. We need to recognize them, understand them, and work towards mitigating them. Only then can we navigate the changing job landscape effectively and ensure that the rise of AI brings opportunities, not just challenges. While job displacement is a serious issue, there are strategies to mitigate its impact. It's time to delve into the proactive measures that can be taken to navigate the changing job landscape. Let's start with an essential component: upskilling and retraining. As the world of work becomes more intertwined with technology, the demand for technological literacy is skyrocketing. This isn't about turning everyone into a software engineer, it's about ensuring that workers have the ability to adapt to new tools and technologies in their fields. Retraining programs can be a lifeline for those whose roles are being automated, providing them with the skills needed to transition into new roles. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play here. Governments can implement policies that encourage lifelong learning, such as subsidizing education costs for adults or providing tax incentives for businesses that invest in employee training. Educational institutions can offer flexible learning options that cater to working adults, such as online courses or part-time programs. Businesses can take the initiative to retrain their employees, recognizing that it's often more cost-effective to upskill existing staff than to recruit new ones. But retraining isn't the only answer. We also need to rethink our approach to education and career development. Rather than preparing students for specific jobs, we should be equipping them with the skills to learn and adapt in a rapidly changing world. This includes not just technical skills, but also soft skills like problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence, which are less susceptible to automation. Beyond retraining and education, we also need to create new opportunities for employment. Here's where AI and automation shine. While they may displace some jobs, they also create new ones. For instance, the rise of AI has led to a surge in demand for data scientists, AI ethicists, and other roles that didn't exist a few years ago. Moreover, automation can free workers from repetitive, mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more meaningful and creative work. This can lead to the creation of jobs that are more satisfying and rewarding. For instance, in healthcare, AI can take over routine tasks like scheduling appointments or analyzing medical records, freeing up healthcare professionals to spend more time on patient care. In addition, AI and automation can spur innovation and entrepreneurship. With the right tools and resources, anyone can start their own business, creating jobs in the process. For instance, e-commerce platforms have empowered countless individuals to launch their own online stores, while AI-powered tools have made it easier for entrepreneurs to analyze market trends, manage inventory, and engage with customers. In conclusion, it's clear that job displacement due to AI and automation is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted response. It's crucial that individuals, businesses, and policymakers take these proactive measures to navigate the changing job landscape. While there will undoubtedly be challenges ahead, there are also immense opportunities. With the right strategies, we can turn these challenges into opportunities for growth, innovation, and societal progress. Despite the challenges, there are success stories of industries and workers adapting to AI. Let's take a moment to appreciate these triumphs in the face of technological change. Consider the healthcare industry, where AI has been implemented to perform routine tasks such as data entry and patient scheduling. Instead of leading to significant job loss, this has allowed healthcare workers to focus more on patient care and less on administrative tasks. This shift has not only improved patient outcomes but also increased job satisfaction among healthcare professionals. Similarly, in the manufacturing sector, AI has been used to automate repetitive tasks on the assembly line. This has led to a decrease in workplace injuries and an increase in productivity. Rather than replace workers, companies have retrained their employees to oversee and maintain these automated processes, thus creating new roles that didn't exist before. In the service industry, AI-powered chatbots have been introduced to handle simple customer inquiries. While this may seem like a threat to customer service jobs, it has actually resulted in a new wave of opportunities. Companies are now hiring specialists to design, implement, and manage these AI systems, creating a whole new field of employment. Moving on to the future outlook, we can expect AI to continue transforming the job market. However, it's not all doom and gloom. With every job that AI may displace, there's potential for AI to create a new one. Remember, during the Industrial Revolution, many were afraid that machines would lead to mass unemployment. Instead, they created more jobs than they destroyed. In the future, we may see a rise in jobs revolving around AI ethics and responsible AI deployment. As AI becomes more prevalent, there will be a growing need for professionals who can ensure that these systems are used responsibly and ethically. Moreover, new industries may emerge that we can't even imagine today, just like how the rise of the internet led to the creation of jobs in social media, online marketing, and app development. This is why it's more important than ever to foster a culture of lifelong learning and adaptability. Lastly, let's not forget the role of policymakers in shaping this future. Governments around the world have a responsibility to ensure that AI is used for the benefit of all. This includes implementing policies that promote retraining and upskilling of workers, regulate the ethical use of AI, and provide safety nets for those who may be displaced. In the end, it's about striking a balance. While AI has the potential to disrupt the job market, it also has the potential to create new opportunities and drive societal progress. We need to embrace this change while also putting measures in place to mitigate its potential downsides. These examples and predictions show that AI, when used responsibly, can be a tool for positive societal change. It's a future that we all have a role in shaping, so let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. In this era of AI and automation, job displacement is a concern that cannot be ignored. Let's take a moment to recap our journey through this complex topic. We've delved into the rise of AI and its transformative impact on numerous industries, painting a picture of a world where routine tasks are increasingly automated. The statistics we've explored have underscored the reality of job displacement, while case examples have shown us sectors where this shift is particularly apparent. We've also looked at the factors driving this displacement, from technological advancements to shifts in skill requirements and economic considerations. It's clear that we're not just dealing with the rise of machines, but also with evolving business needs and a changing economic landscape. Yet, amidst these challenges, we've also explored the significant concerns and fears that surround job displacement. The specter of job loss and unemployment looms large, fueling worries about economic inequality and the psychological impacts of job insecurity. These are real and valid concerns that demand our attention and action, but it's not all doom and gloom. We've highlighted the importance of proactive measures to mitigate job displacement, from retraining and upskilling initiatives to policies and programs designed to support workers. We've seen how some industries have successfully adapted to AI without significant job loss, and how companies are implementing retraining programs to help their employees navigate this new landscape. And let's not forget the opportunities. AI and automation are not just disruptors but also creators, spurring innovations in job creation and entrepreneurship. We've peered into the future of work in the age of AI, discussing the potential for AI to create new job opportunities and the ethical considerations that come with responsible AI deployment. So, where does this leave us? It's clear that AI and automation are here to stay. The challenge now is to navigate this new terrain with foresight, caution, and a commitment to fairness and inclusivity. Let's embrace AI as a tool for positive change, but also remain vigilant about its potential impact on employment.